Hello and welcome to this channel. My name is Dennis Mburo. This is the Digital Strategy and Marketing channel. And today we are addressing this issue in Davinci Resolve 18, where the render job says that it has failed. I got this problem yesterday and I was supposed to submit this job to a client, which I assume you are also in that situation as well. And I was looking all over YouTube for a video that actually works. The reason why I created this video is to show you a video that works in addressing this issue of render job failed. So right now, just go to the description, click on the link, and your issue is going to be sorted. So thank you very much for the creators of that video. I felt that it is important to direct other people who are using Davinci Resolve there for the purpose of getting their issue sorted as quickly as possible. And as always, follow this channel to learn more about digital tools. But of course, I know that you must be in a hurry, so just go there and perhaps you can come back to this channel some other time. So thank you very much and see you again in the next video.